Hello everyone. So right now what we're doing is I am making a tuna casserole. Something quick, simple, easy to make, especially during the summer. Right now I had just recently boiled some noodles and some sweet peas all together. We're going to go ahead and bop this into our baking dish. They've already been rinsed. So let's drop this in there. All right, as you guys can see, I have already previously added just a little bit of milk and some canola oil. We're gonna go ahead and start adding our cream cheese and Velveeta cheese cubes. All right, so as you guys can see, we've added the cream cheese and a few Velveeta cubes. We're getting ready to go ahead before I even go into the tuna part. So as far as the cheese goes, I probably utilize right now maybe 1/3 block of Velveeta cheese, and probably the same with the cream cheese also, since I have milk in here. Um, but you can make it as cheesy as you would like. You can add more cheese. You can use less cheese, whatever's your flavor. We're going to go ahead and bop in our tuna. Today we're going to be using some regular can, the bigger can of tuna. We're going to bop this in here and mix it in together. So